From the leaders in outdoor cleanup solutions, Billy Goat is pleased to introduce the all-new QV vacuum with a host of new and innovative features. Marked by a distinctive 33-inch composite black intake nozzle and cyclonic hood, the QV features the strong suction and ease of operation that Billy Goat vacuums are known for. But the newly designed QV is considered the world's quietest and features the lowest dB in its class. When compared to other vacs on the market with equal engines and RPM, the QV minimizes noise and improves operating acoustic conditions at all RPMs. There's no need to reduce the RPM and compromise productivity just to achieve lower noise characteristics recommended by other vac manufacturers in the market. Additionally, the QV features a unique cyclonic air filtration system that slows the air in the bag and creates a low-pressure center that, when combined with patent-pending dust sock technology, creates the first vacuum that virtually eliminates dust in dry conditions. Simply cover the standard mesh turf bag with the dust sock to achieve the effect. The large debris stays in the mesh bag, while the passing dust adheres to the outer dust sock. No need for the operator workspace to be filled and covered with dust as a result of vacuuming anymore. Be sure to remember not to use the dust sock in wet conditions and clean the sock with care according to the operator instructions. When not using the dust sock, a dust skirt is included to keep the dust down and away from the operator. And when the debris bag is full, the new QV features a 2-latch bagging system, which eliminates bag clasps or zippers, making bag handling and unloading one of the most simple and efficient tasks compared to the other models on the market. Simply unlatch, lower, and slide the bag out the back centering rail and repeat to close. When cleaning in hard-to-reach areas, the new QV offers an innovative hose kit accessory. This optional 5-inch hose expands to 10 feet, then collapses down to a fraction of its size for optimal onboard storage when not in use. In addition, the telescopic handle reduces operator bending, improves ergonomics, and provides ease of use in hard-to-reach areas. To activate the hose kit, simply close the front nozzle with the door that is secured via the magnet at the back of the front nozzle, and let the vacuum pull it tight to close, which then redirects the air through the hose attachment. When done, simply swing the door back to the secured position and store the hose kit. Large rear turf tires and front casters, along with optional hydrostatic transmission and variable height adjustment from a 1/2 inch to 3 inch, make the QV highly maneuverable and ideal for virtually all surface conditions and debris cleanup jobs. In addition, the self-propelled hydro drive option features a shift-on-the-fly transmission for variable speed in both forward and reverse from 0 to 3 miles per hour. Lastly, the QV is driven by your choice of Honda or Briggs power, coupled to a 6-blade armor-plated impeller to maximize suction power in an effort to pick up even the most stubborn debris. The impeller also reduces debris up to 12 to 1 in dry conditions and improves mulching of organic debris. The result is maximized productivity, reduced dumping, and less fatigue for the operator. So when it's time to clean up, there's no reason your property shouldn't look great in all seasons. Put the innovative, low-dust, low-noise power of the QV to work and clean up with Billy Goat, a full line of property cleanup solutions.